Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 9 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I cannot believe we're on day 9! So here we are. Today's affirmation is, I am doing the best I can with what I have, and that is enough. I know that might seem like a long one, but let's listen. Maybe close your eyes. Listen to the affirmation. I am doing my best with what I have, and that's enough. We're going to do our cleansing breath. We're going to inhale through the nose. Now through the mouth, preparing for our 3 ums. We inhale, inhale. Inhale one more. Finding your natural breath. Beautiful, gently opening up the eyes. We're going to take it to the feet out in front. Oof, gently unbinding wherever you are. I'm going to put these blocks over here. What we're going to do today is we're going to start off with our feet together, right? Just a neutral spine. And we're going to put our toes together, right? So our toes come together like this. Oi. Right? So our toes come together, and then we're going to push them out and our heels touch. So toes together and heels. Toes, heels. Feeling that. Just these simple exercises. Toes, heels. 2 more. Toes, heels, toes, and heels. Beautiful. We're going to bring our feet up towards us. Right? So get the feet as close to the buttocks as you can. Breathe in, opening up the chest. Pulling those knees to us. Exhale, releasing, coming down, curving the spine. We inhale, bringing up the chest. Exhale, releasing. And this is another version of a seated cat-cow. We inhale, opening up the chest, and we exhale, curving the spine. Again, we inhale, coming up. Exhale, curving the spine. We come back up, dropping the knees, heels come to the mat. From here, we're going to slide our feet out, taking it onto our stomachs. Right? So if you want to hear from the tabletop position, if you want to do like a little mini chaturanga, bhujangasana, we're going to inhale, our chest and chin come to the mat. We inhale, pulling it up, taking it to a little mini cobra, right? And we're going to exhale, dropping down the forehead. Again, we'll do a little mini cobra flow. We're just going to inhale through the nose. Exhale. Release, head back down. Again, we inhale, pressing the tops of the feet into the mat. Exhale. Forehead to mat. Making sure those glutes are engaged, we inhale. And we exhale. Using the breath, inhale. And exhale. 2 more, we inhale. And exhale. 1 more, we inhale. And exhale. From here, we're going to pull up that left foot to where the heel is close to the buttocks. We take our left hand and we're going to take top of the foot, hold on to the top of the foot, lifting up the head and gently opening up the side body of the left, right? Allowing the body to open up, lifting up and release. Dropping the forehead to the mat, releasing the left hand, left foot bind. And we're going to take it to the other side. So right ankle comes to the glute. Take a hold. Right arm, left top of the foot, right top of the foot. We inhale. Holding, breathing in. And release. Right, we're doing a single leg bow pose. Just gently rocking the hips side to side. We'll do that again. Right, so we take our left hand to the top of the left foot. We're going to inhale, lifting up through the side, opening up the chest, eyes, looking up, breathing and release, dropping down, not pushing anything too much. We take it to the other side, heel to glute, right arm, top of the right foot. We inhale, lifting up, gaze is up towards the ceiling, really engaging those abdominals, lifting up and release, dropping back down. Massaging out the body. From here we're going to flip over, taking it into a happy baby. Taking the tops of the feet, the big toe, you can hold the big toe, making sure the sacrum stays on the mat. Just gently rocking from side to side. Feeling that open up the groin. Maybe saying to yourself as you're here, I am enough. I am enough. We're going to gently release this. Knees come together. We hug our knees to our chest. We're going to roll to our right side, roll onto our right side. Gently using our hands, coming back up. Taking it to easy pose. We say our affirmation one more time. I am doing the best I can with what I have, and that is enough. Taking that with you throughout the day, focusing on your affirmation, bettering yourself, bettering your life. Hands come together, come to heart center. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. I hope you all have an incredible morning, and thank you so much for being here, doing this for yourself, and loving your body. You are more than enough. I love you all so much, and I will see you tomorrow for day 10. We're almost there, you guys. Almost halfway. Thank you again. I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.